Hello everyone, welcome to your online class of SST of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, in my previous video, we revised lesson number 1 and 2. So today in this video, we will revise the exercises of lesson number 3 and 4. So let's begin our class. In lesson number 3rd, Almanac, you studied about what is Almanac, then the different calendars, that is the Gregorian calendar and the Saka calendar. Gregorian calendar was introduced in AD 1582 by Pope Gregory XIII, and it was named after Pope Gregory XIII. And then you saw what is Saka calendar. Okay, so what is Saka calendar? The Saka calendar or the national calendar is based on the Saka era, and it was adopted from 22nd March to 1957. Okay, and then we studied about the difference between the Gregorian calendar and the Saka calendar. Then we saw time in history, okay, means how to denote the different times in history, why this BC, AD and BP is written before the dates. So BC, that is, or we can say BCE, stands for before Christ, means all the dates before the birth of Christ are expressed in BC. Then AD stands for Anno Domini, that is a Latin word. So that means in the year of our Lord, that is Christ. So all the dates or year after the birth of Jesus Christ are expressed in AD. Okay, then we saw what is BP. So BP stands for before present, is also used to denote past events. Okay, now what was purpose of time denotation? So first purpose is the term BC and AD are mentioned to denote the time of happening of a particular event or events, and they also indicate the historical significance of events and activities. Means what are the historical significance of the events and activities that happen in the past. So now we will revise the exercise part of lesson number 3rd. So first one is multiple choice question, almanac and annular calendar. The Gregorian calendar was introduced in AD 1582. In a leap year, the month February has 29 days. The Saka calendar is the national calendar of India. Then see exercise true and false. So first one is the Gregorian calendar is a modification of the Saka calendar. That is wrong. Second, the 29th day of February is known as a leap day. That is correct. The Saka calendar was adopted from 22nd March 1957. This is also correct. And the month of Posha has 31 days. This is wrong. Now fill in the blanks. The Gregorian calendar was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII. A leap year has 366 days. The Calendar Reform Committee was headed by Meghnad Saha. The Saka calendar is the national calendar of India. Next one, match the following. The Gregorian calendar in AD 1582. A leap year comes after every 4 years. The Saka calendar is a lunisolar calendar. The Saka era starts in its year 0 in the year AD 78. Okay, so these are the match the following. Number 4, responsibilities of a good citizen. First part means what are the responsibilities of a good citizen. So in this lesson, you studied about civics. What is civics? Civics is a study of the rights and duties of citizenship along with the working of various institutions of a government. In other words, civics touches a political and practical aspect of citizenship. Okay, it teaches us the importance of being an active citizen in the community. Okay, then we saw what are the fundamental rights and duties. In our constitution, 6 fundamental rights and 11 fundamental duties have been mentioned, and taken together their main objective is to holistically develop the citizens of India, means to overall development of citizen of India. Thus, study of civics is very important. It tells us the rights and duties are not only reconcilable but also inseparable, means these both are inseparable. Now, definition of civics means what is civics? So, civics is a science of citizenship. It is a study of the ways in which a society organizes and operates a state. Means how does a society work? So, this we learn by civics. It also comprises the study of civil law, civil code, and the structure of the government. Then, civic sense. Civic sense is a comprehensive concept, and it is also termed as social ethics. Means by civic sense it means the social ethics, means how we should behave. Okay, civic sense is a set of moral and social principles. Next, we read about citizen. A citizen is a person who enjoys all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state. Okay, then the responsibilities of a good citizen. First one is to abide by the constitution and its spirit. Second, allegiance. Then to pay taxes, to cast vote, obedient to the laws, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, to protect and improve the natural environment, and last one, to safeguard the public property and abjure violence. And then what are the importance of being a good neighbor and a good citizen? So this we all read in this lesson number 4. Now we will do the exercise part of this lesson. We will revise the exercise part of this lesson. So first one is choose the correct option. First, civics is the study of both rights and duties. So you have to take this one, both A and B. How many fundamental duties have been mentioned in the Constitution of India? So the answer is 11. Civic sense is a set of both moral and social principles. A good neighbor should be tolerant and adjustable. Then C exercise, true and false. Civic sense makes us aware of our rights and duties. That is correct. Rights and duties are separable. That is wrong. Civic sense mirrors one's personality as a whole. Correct. Citizens must uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. This is correct. Now next exercise, fill in the blanks. There are dash fundamental rights in our constitution. So there are 6 fundamental rights in our constitution. Civics touches the political and practical aspects of citizenship. Third, the first lesson of civic sense starts from one's home. Every citizen must be loyal to the state. Then next exercise, match the following. First one is civic sense. Civics is a science of citizenship. Civic sense is termed as social ethics. Citizens must be obedient to the laws. And fourth one, a neighbor and a citizen are complementary to each other. So these are the exercises of lesson number 3 and 4, and you have to learn the question answers by yourself, and you have to prepare for your unit test. So by this our revision of lesson number 3 and 4 is also completed. You have to prepare for your unit test. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.